Extinction alert confirmed. Mother and calf in danger. All rescue teams mobilize. Hey, this is Freedom Day for Buttercup and Clover.
We're here to provide sanctuary. These animals deserve a life beyond this.
Hey, Buttercup. Hey, sweet girl. You're safe now. You and Clover are coming home to sanctuary. No more—
Perfect. Both stable for transport. Let's bring them home to sanctuary.
This is what Freedom Day means. Every animal deserves this life. Tomorrow, we rescue more.